water rings. Just put a damn cloth over them and then iron them out. Check this out.
Boom, gone.
Stovetop. Sprinkle some baking soda.
Add some fresh lemon juice and watch it sizzle. Scrub and wipe it clean.
Screens. Just dip a tea bag in water, rub it on the screen, and then wipe it off with a coffee filter. Descaling shower heads. Just pour some vinegar in a Ziploc bag, tie it around the shower head, and let it soak for an hour. You won't believe how much gunk will come out.
Works on sink faucets too.
Hard water stains on chrome surfaces. Soak a paper towel in vinegar, place it over the surface, let it sit for a little bit, and boom, brand new. Shower glass doors. Fill up a spray bottle with vinegar, spray the glass, let it sit for 10 minutes, throw on some baking soda, put some salt on a half a lemon like this, scrub the glass and then wipe it off. Crystal clear. Oven racks. In a bowl, make a paste with baking soda, lemon juice, and vinegar. Tie it on a rack, let it sit for an hour, and everything comes right off.
Put baking soda on a piece of potato like this. You can then use it to remove rust on metal. Boom, rust gone.
Put your shower head in a Ziploc bag, then fill it up with vinegar, tie it up, and leave it like that for 30 minutes, but the longer the better.
This will remove any mineral buildup in your shower head, making it brand new. A rubber glove can pick up pet hair like a magnet. Coffee filters leave no streaks in your windows and mirrors when you're cleaning them. Use dryer sheets to clean your baseboards. They repel dust and leave a nice scent behind. If you cut a piece of potato, a small piece like this, you can use it to clean your shoes. Check this out. You can use rice to clean hard to reach areas like bottles. Just add rice, hot water, shake, and everything comes right off.
When you're done sweeping the floor, spray the pile with some water, wipe with a paper towel, nothing gets left behind. To get your dishwasher nice and clean, just add 1 cup of vinegar inside the machine. Run a normal cycle and it'll be fresh and clean. Keep peeled clothes. Just grab a razor and shave it away. Quick and easy. Grapefruit and salt can get rid of stains in your bathroom. Sink, bathtub, toilet, anywhere. Whew. Refresh white towels. Just add a half a cup of baking soda to the detergent spot and a half a cup of vinegar into the fabric softener spot. Run a full cycle and done. Brand new and white. When you're done using a panini maker, unplug it, add some vinegar or lemon juice, put a wet paper towel on top, press it down for a minute, grab another paper towel, and wipe it clean. These stains or any kind of stains on your carpet, add some foamy shaving cream and wipe it off. If you hate cleaning your kitchen, here's some hacks to make things easier. Pots and pans, just add a lemon, baking soda, and vinegar, bring it to boil, and everything should come right off. Wooden cutting board stains, add salt and scrub it with a half a lemon. Plastic cutting boards, baking soda, vinegar, and scrub with a lemon. When you measure out honey, syrup, or any other sticky stuff, don't do this. Spray with cooking spray first, and everything comes right off. Same thing when you grate cheese. The cheese doesn't get stuck on the grater. Descaling a kettle, just add vinegar, bring it to boil, let it sit for 1 hour, and boom, brand new. Oven grease. Mix baking soda and vinegar until you have a paste. Use a sponge to apply this mixture on the grease. Add 1 cup of vinegar in the bowl. Hi, Bella. Put it inside the oven, put the oven on low heat for 1 hour, and goodbye to the grease. For clogged drains, just sprinkle some baking soda, add vinegar, let it sit for 5 minutes, then add hot water. Boom! Add vinegar in a bowl, a half a lemon, microwave it for 1 minute, open it up and wipe it clean.